1. 1962 Chevrolet C10 Deluxe Cab Big Rear Window. $5,600. White Salmon, Washington. This 1962 Chevrolet C10 Deluxe Cab pickup is a solid choice for a classic truck enthusiast, offered at an affordable price of $5,600. With a 283 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck provides a classic driving experience. The truck runs and drives well with good brakes and a clean WA title. The body was repainted in the 70s, and the interior remains original. The bed needs restoration, and there is some rust along the hood's drainage areas. With 99,302 miles, this truck still has plenty of potential for restoration. Two, 1986 GMC Sierra, $11,000. Glorieta, New Mexico, priced at $11,000. This 1986 GMC Sierra is in good condition with an updated 350 V8 engine. The engine has only 7,000 miles since a rebuild, making it a great option for those seeking reliability. The 4-speed manual transmission and 4-button make it a solid performer off-road. The truck needs minor fixes, including a muffler and paint, but it comes with new tires and shocks, ensuring great performance on the road. Three, 1973 Nissan Datsun 620, $8,700, Sacramento, California. This 1973 Datsun 620 pickup is a fantastic classic with a rebuilt engine and low mileage of 55,000 miles. The original 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission provide dependable performance with a clean title and zero rust. The car has undergone substantial maintenance, including new shocks, brakes, and a brake booster. It's perfect for someone looking for a project with minor TLC needed. The bright yellow paint adds to its vintage charm. 4. 1970 Ford F100 Heritage Custom, $14,800. Sawasan, British Columbia. At $14,800, this 1970 Ford F100 Heritage Custom is an excellent example of a classic truck with a 302 V8 and a manual transmission. The truck is in excellent condition with low mileage of 117,700 miles. The green paint, clean interior, and solid body make it a standout piece. The truck also features the rare overdrive option, making it a more versatile vehicle for daily use. Located in Victoria, British Columbia, this truck is a true gem for collectors. I-5 1966 Ford F100, $8,400, Dublin, California. Offered at $8,400, this 1966 Ford F100 is a classic workhorse with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck runs well with only 48,500 miles on the odometer. This is a good example of a vintage truck that has been well maintained. It's a great candidate for those looking for a reliable and affordable classic vehicle with plenty of character. 6. 1977 Dodge Power Wagon 4x4, $6,000. This 1977 Dodge Power Wagon 4x4 is available for $6,000 and comes with a lot of updates. With an updated motor and transmission, brand new tires, and extra off-road lights, this truck is ready for adventure. The bucket seats add comfort, and the truck is equipped to handle rough terrains with ease. Although the truck has been updated, it still retains its rugged charm and potential for more customization. Seven, 1978 Chevy K10 Stepside 4x4, $14,900, St. Helens, Oregon. This 1978 Chevy K10 step-side 4x4 is a great truck priced at $14,900. Equipped with a big block 454 engine and an automatic transmission, it provides excellent performance and a classic rumble. The truck is in good condition, with everything working, including the dual fuel tanks. It's perfect for someone who enjoys the power and history of older Chevy trucks. This vehicle would make a fantastic project truck or simply a fun ride. Eight, 1973 Chevrolet C10, $14,000, Gonzales, California. At $14,000, this 1973 Chevrolet C10 is an upgraded classic featuring a 6.0 LS engine swap with a 4L80 transmission. The truck has received a lot of updates, including a new radiator, K&N air intake, Flowmaster exhaust, and new tires and rims. The truck runs flawlessly and is a great project turned into a reliable driver. It has 85,000 miles and comes with a clean title, making it a solid investment for those interested in classic truck builds. 9, 1973 Chevrolet pickup, Survivor All Original, $15,000, Ephrata, Washington. This 1973 Chevy Cheyenne Super 10 pickup is priced at $15,000, reflecting its excellent original condition. With only 64,450 miles, it's a true survivor with an untouched body and interior. The factory 454 engine, automatic transmission, and Michelin tires make it a great driving classic. The truck has been garage kept and is in pristine condition, making it an ideal vehicle for collectors seeking authenticity in a classic Chevy pickup. Ten, 1970 Chevrolet C10 Texas Classic Chevy truck, $13,500, Blue Ridge, Texas. For $13,500, this 1970 Chevrolet C10 Classic Chevy truck offers a 350 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and disc brakes. The truck has 35,000 miles on the odometer and includes upgrades such as a power steering system and chrome wheels. With its patina paint and low mileage, this is a great truck for someone who appreciates a classic, well-maintained Chevy with a rich Texas history. $11, 1965 Dodge D100, $13,000, Corrales, New Mexico. This 1965 Dodge D100 is a fantastic find at $13,000 with a 225/6 engine and a manual transmission. The truck has only 61,000 miles with recent work done, including a rebuilt clutch and new tie rods. It's an Arizona truck, which explains its excellent condition. This classic is perfect for anyone who loves vintage trucks and wants something easy to restore with minimal effort. 2012 1979 Ford Ranchero GT, $7,500. At $7,500, this 1979 Ford Ranchero GT is a well-preserved classic with a 302 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The car has been stored in a garage for years and has no rust, making it a solid candidate for restoration. Although it runs on a gas bottle, it needs some work to get back to its full glory. The Ranchero GT is a rare classic, and it offers a great opportunity to own a Survivor. (13) 1970 Chevy C20 CST 8.6. Long bed, $8,500, Burbank, California. This 1970 Chevy C20 CST is priced at $8,500 and offers a 402 big block engine with a turbo 400 transmission. The truck has 79,000 miles and comes with a new HEI ignition, spark plug wires, and a new carburetor. The work done on this truck makes it ready for heavy-duty work, and it's equipped with a disc brake conversion and a Dana 60 rear end. The truck requires some cosmetic work, but it remains a solid performer. Ford 14. 1988 Dodge Dakota 4x4, $600, Gardnerville, Nevada. Priced at just $600, this 1988 Dodge Dakota 4x4 offers a potential bargain for those willing to take on a project. While it does not run due to electrical issues, it has a long bed and good tires. The truck has 263,679 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, though it requires a new battery and some electrical repairs. (15) 1966 Datsun 520 truck, $1,750, Glendale, Arizona. This 1966 Datsun 520 truck is offered at $1,750, and while it does not run, it presents an opportunity for a project restoration. It has been sitting outside for the past 20 years, but retains its original parts, including the tires and rims. With no title, bill of sale only, this truck could be a great deal for someone willing to invest time into bringing it back to life.